I put gear down.
Okay. But just leave the power where it was, yeah, because you're gonna have the drag of the gear. So just put it back. So 3 green. Now you're gonna be trimming, right? Because you want to maintain the trim nose up. Exactly. Yeah. So now
speed for flaps 50.
Nice. Now you're gonna feel that like ballooning effect. So you may have to push the nose down a little bit.
Yeah.
Right? But leave the power.
Yeah.
And go a little bit left because we're follow the flight director. Okay. So now we're approaching, like getting close to 100 knots. So you can start adding a bit of power, right? Adding. Yeah. Just a little bit. And
okay, flap 30.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Flap 30.
Now you're gonna feel the ballooning, yeah. So
Yeah.
I'll turn your puppet off for you, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so follow the flight director.
Yeah.
Don't let the nose down. Nose down.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and landing checklist.
So
3 green.
3 green, flap 30, the pressurized.
And pressurized mode's off.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so even though we see the runway, just stay on instruments for practice.
Yeah.
And at decision altitude, prior to decision altitude, we'll say approaching minimas.
Okay.
And
500.
Stabilized.
Perfect. Yeah, and a trick actually, if you put the flight path vector on the runway, it'll help you as well.
Yeah.
Right? But the glide slope and localizer needs to be followed, right?
Yeah.
We're approaching minimums, right?
Approaching minimums.
Minimum.
Okay, 12 o'clock, runway 12 o'clock, so you can land.
Runway inside, continue.
Okay, just leave this power setting, don't change too much.
Okay.
You could add a little bit of more because you took it off. Yeah. And just keep flying down to the runway.
Okay.
Nose down, Nose down. Nose down, nose down, nose down, nose down. Okay, now flare, idle. And just hold this attitude. Don't overdo it, just hold this attitude. Yeah. Okay, you landed with the auto on.
No.
It's okay that you may have felt. But there was no crosswind, so now we have normal control. That happens, so just if you put the auto back on, you have to remember to take it off again.
Okay.
So keep going.
Charlie. Next. Yeah. Okay.
Landing's assured, so ground idle.
Okay.
Condition lever. Yeah.
Conditional
Nice.
lever. Ground idle.
Okay. Very good job.
Do ITC don't say us about vacation?
Because we should always take the first available exit.
Okay.
Oscar India Hotel Sierra Taxi Lima, Quebec 1, stand Mike 1 Bravo.
Quebec 1, stand Mike 1 Bravo, Oscar Kilo India Hotel Sierra.
I have control.
Okay.
Lima, Quebec 1, stand Mike 1 Bravo. So you can do the after landing flow.
Okay.
And just do the lights first.
Okay. So, stop landing. Taxi.
Thanks.
Okay.
To je možné, aby
do you have control?
na dráhu se vybočili někde na úrovni Limy a pokračovali nad Limou na heliport 1. Ano, rozumím. Bude schváleno. Dráha je v současné době obsazená, je tam kontrola. Ohlaste se mi 2 minuty dopravu. Máme 2 minuty dopravu, Franky India.
Can I switch to airport?
Yeah.